Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download Prime Video on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after, if you want to download it, just go ahead and open your App Store applications on your phone. And now to download it, firstly just search the Prime Video here. You just tap on the search bar at the top. After, type the Prime Video. Now tap on this search button at the bottom. And yeah, as you can see, this is an Amazon Prime Video that I mean, the Prime Video. If you want to download it, just tap on this get button beside the Prime Video. And now we just have to wait for a second, for a minute, until the processing is done, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna tap on install. Now maybe I'm gonna speed it up while downloading the applications. And when it's done, the get button before it will be changed to the open button, yeah guys. So here I'm gonna close the App Store application. Now I'm gonna check it on my home screen. This is the Prime Video that I mean, yeah guys, is already downloaded. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.